Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now, check adventure rank and the associated world quest requirements, because without them you cannot proceed. Once done, make sure you've unlocked the domain or boss that drops Helm of Warding and have the weekly/weekly scaling quest active if needed. Assemble materials in inventory, boss drops, regional specialties, and any crafting items, and prepare a team with a main DPS and an electro sub-DPS. This speeds damage checks and reduces time spent on wipes, so you get the Helm faster. Now execute the route. Teleport to the nearest waypoint, clear nearby mobs to minimize interruptions, then focus damage on the boss or domain target. Use auto-pathing for speed and track your original resin. Prioritize condensed resin or fragile resin during double drop events. Once engaged, rotate characters to trigger reactions like overload or superconduct to shorten the fight. If you clear 3 to 5 runs without the drop, change your world level or switch to co-op for a better drop distribution. Finish by claiming the drop immediately, and if the Helm is a craftable or ascension component, visit the blacksmith to combine items. This prevents inventory clutter and accidental salvage. Once crafted or obtained, slot it and verify stat rolls suit your build. Consider reforging or replacement if stats are poor. If you hit a dry streak, try resetting your world, joining a co-op run, or lowering world level to change drop tables. This one tip usually resolves stubborn RNG issues and gets you the Helm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.